I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are interfering. You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not
interfere with a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now.
I'm instructing you.
No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me
that if
nothing.
you interfere
I'm not talking to her.
I'm not
talking to her.
Have
you heard me talk to
A sergeant accused an independent auditor of blocking a female officer while filming. Sounds serious, right? But when you roll the footage back, the claim doesn't hold water. The camera never leaves the sergeant's side. There's zero sign of interference, just a steady recording happening in plain view. What's really going on here? It looks like a peaceful act of public filming is being twisted into something it's not. That's not just a stretch, it's a tactic. A way to dodge the spotlight. And let's be real, that's not what leadership should look like, especially coming from someone in uniform. This wasn't just an overreaction, it was an attempt to shut down transparency. Instead of owning the moment, the sergeant leaned into his authority and tried to flip the script. No broken laws, no confrontation, just a camera and a citizen getting unfairly singled out for doing absolutely nothing wrong.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I? Don't lie, you're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've
and
been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said you tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a deface the union flag. Well, get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement? Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said. Yeah. I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me. I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it.
They tried to frame the auditor as interfering with a female officer's job, but the footage tells a totally different story. His camera stays locked on the sergeant the entire time. No distractions. No interference. Just clean, steady filming. Turning that into a problem isn't a mistake, it's a playbook move to avoid being watched, and it gets worse. The sergeant actually labels the guy a security risk, just for filming officers entering and exiting. Think about that. He's standing on a public sidewalk, well within his rights, doing something completely legal. Where's the logic in that? Then comes the wild part. The sergeant accuses him of obstructing, even though it's the officer's own cruiser with both doors flung open, taking up space in the street. You can't make this stuff up. It's not just overreach, it's plain ridiculous.
Your car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no
sir,
evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
sir.
All right then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone.
As what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act,
What's
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
It's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime? A sergeant steps in and threatens to take the auditor's phone, citing the Evidence Act, but here's the problem. He can't even name a single crime. That's not how the law works. Officers can only seize property if they genuinely suspect it holds evidence of a real, defined offense. Simply filming on a sidewalk, even with police nearby, doesn't cut it. This isn't a misunderstanding, it's misuse of authority. It's a clear overreach, using legal jargon like a weapon to intimidate someone who knows their rights. The sergeant flashes his badge and throws around the law, hoping it's enough to get the phone handed over without question. But when the auditor calmly asks, "What crime are you investigating?" there's silence. No charge. No stolen item. No aggressive act. Just a camera rolling in public space. And without a valid reason or charge, there's no right to search his stuff. Period. It's not just shaky policing, it's a blatant attempt to control the narrative.
If I believe,
What's the crime?
well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes,
and I will take the evidence from
Why?
you.
Why? Why?
the
What
Police
crime is it?
Evidence
What
Act.
crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
If you're saying
What do you
that there is
want?
evidence
What do you
about
want?
your
What?
phone, then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me. either.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy is
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not law
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the auditor reminds her that officers are expected to announce when they're recording, she quickly pushes back, saying, "That's just policy, not law." But here's the truth. Policies exist for a reason. They're not random suggestions. They guide officer behavior and help build trust between law enforcement and the public. Brushing off policy like it doesn't matter isn't just careless, it's risky. These rules ensure transparency and prevent misuse of power. Ignoring them chips away at accountability and puts the department on shaky ground, and there's more at stake than just trust. Recording people without proper notice, especially by government officials, can violate data protection standards like GDPR. So no, it's not just policy. It's about respecting people's rights and keeping the system honest.
Step on your way. Move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah, I think so.
Called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body wants cameras on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body won't come. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Speak to me, talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming. Personal cards coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film him.
The officer tried to claim the auditor was filming the sergeant getting in and out of his vehicle. But let's set the record straight. The car had just pulled up. There was no long observation, no stalking, and no setup. The auditor was simply standing on a public sidewalk, recording as is fully allowed to do. What actually happened? The sergeant entered the frame by choice, not by being followed. But instead of acknowledging that, the officer twisted the situation, suggesting the auditor had some personal focus on the sergeant's movements. That's not just misleading, it's a setup for unnecessary escalation. By painting a legal activity as suspicious, they created a false excuse to intervene. The auditor saw what was happening and didn't stay quiet. He called it out for what it was, a narrative built on fiction, not facts.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
have
anything?
immediately
Did
started
I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
In front of his team, the sergeant boldly cites anti-terror laws, all because someone filmed the license plate on his patrol car. But here's the thing, there's no legal backing for that move. License plates are in plain sight for a reason. They're public by design, not private property. No court has ever ruled that filming a visible registration plate amounts to terrorist activity. It's a stretch, one that doesn't hold up under real legal standards. Section 43 of the Terrorism Act allows police to stop someone only if there's a solid reason to suspect terrorist intent. But feeling uncomfortable just because someone's filming a car on a public street? That's nowhere near enough. It's not suspicion, it's overreaction. And invoking such a serious law in this context only weakens public trust.
Visit today here, sir.
She's wearing a Defaced Union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented, that she shouldn't be wearing a Defaced Union flag on her uniform. That muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? I'm asking you. No. So I can call him a muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of your
Yeah?
visit
Can I
today?
call him a muppet? Can I call him a muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, not your mate, okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong, okay? Off your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
It started when a sergeant falsely claimed the auditor was blocking a female officer. But the video shows otherwise. The camera never left the sergeant. No contact, no interference. It was a clear attempt to shift attention and avoid accountability. Then, they labeled the auditor a security risk for calmly filming officers from a public sidewalk. Meanwhile, the sergeant's cruiser sat in the street with both doors wide open. Who was really causing obstruction? Things escalated when the sergeant threatened to take the auditor's phone under pace, but couldn't name a single crime. That law only applies when there's real suspicion. Recording in public doesn't qualify. When asked why officers didn't announce their own recordings, one snapped back, "That's policy, not law." But policies exist to protect public trust and ensure data compliance. Ignoring them isn't harmless. It's reckless. To top it off, they claimed the auditor was targeting the sergeant's movements, even though he had just arrived. Then came the wildest stretch, invoking the Terrorism Act over license plate on camera. Totally baseless, and in the end, the sergeant backed off and drove away. His actions weren't just wrong, they were a reminder of what happens when power goes unchecked. If this breakdown helped, hit like, comment, and subscribe. And check out Yardley Ski Auditing in the description. Catch you next time.